Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solution. So yesterday I have left on a rapid implementation. So we have seen the manual process. So far we have seen the how to create primary ledger, legal address, legal entity, assign the legal entity to PL. Everything we have seen by the manual process. So today we will going to upload all these once again with the rapid implementation sheet. Okay. So today what we are going to do, today we will start with the rapid implementation, and then after rapid implementation, first of all we will download the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, then we will prepare data under it. Okay, then we will validate, and then we will import file. Okay, I'll show these are the steps. Today we are going to follow these steps. Okay, so today we'll import data files, and then we will find the setup. Okay, so these we are going to perform with the rapid implementation sheet. So without any further, let's start. Okay friends, okay, so let's say this is our user. Okay, this is our user. Under it we have one project. Okay, we have setup and maintenance, so we'll make another project. Okay, okay, so this is our previous user. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on search. Rapid implementation means all the process we will see how to do it automatic. Okay, so we'll click on search. This is global search. Okay, here we'll type the rapid implementation. Rapid, you see one Excel sheet will come, and we will download it, and we will directly fill all the data so far we have made. Okay, you see how quickly we are going to set all the data. So let's click on rapid and find define common financial configuration for rapid implementation. Click on it. So we need to create charts of account, ledger, legal entity and business unit. Okay, in spreadsheets. Click on it. So we have this sheet. See in the downloads. Okay, so we have this rapid implementation sheet. We will save it. So this is our rapid implementation sheet. These all are instructions. So first we will go on charts of account calendar. Okay, so first of all enable editing. Okay, now we'll go COA. You see charts of account, the segments have come, segment level will be there, short prompt and display width, everything we have filled manually. So now automatically this structure has come. So we'll give the name of the segment. Okay, so our charts of account name is, since we have the implementation product BISP implementation, so here we are going to give the name BISP 2. Okay, so what would be the currency? Currency would be USD, or you select from here USD. Okay, period frequency would be monthly, adjusting period once at year end. Okay, this all we have done. Now we are doing it once again with the Excel sheet. Okay, called rapid implementation. Okay, so now fiscal year, we'll give 08 03 2024. This is our. Okay, so now I'll give the segments. How many segments we want? So the first segment was company, so we'll give the name company. Okay, second segment we'll give cost center. So company, which segment we were assigning, which segment level we were giving, do you remember? So for company we are choosing primary balancing segment. Okay, for cost center, do you remember which segment we were taking for the cost center? We were taking cost center only, cost center segment. Then we have account. For account, which segment we were choosing? We were taking natural account segment. Natural account segment. Okay, now let's take one more. Project, no segment level is required, and one more we are taking future, no segment is required. So let's say if I want to add some, for intercompany we have chosen intercompany segment. Okay, so this would be our and one more I'm adding insert, that is project. So since why we are not adding intercompany, because we have to otherwise we have to add some more data, so that is why we are not adding intercompany here. Okay, okay, so this charts of accounts we have completed. Now where we will go, we'll give the short prompt. Like company, will give short prompt is mandatory, so we'll give COMP company, cost center COST, general account will give GLAC, and project will give PROJ project, then future will give FUT. Okay, future. This we have given. Display width is we have to give display remember we have selected 30 30 4 4. So 4 display width, cost center 4, general account combination codes maybe of 5 numbers, so we'll select 5, project again 4, future again 4. Okay, okay. Now I'll go on business unit. First we'll go on legal entities. Okay, business unit, legal companies and legal entities. Here we have to fill the data. Okay, so parent child, suppose the code we have given 9, 4 times 9. Under it we have one child. Okay, so parent company is, suppose parent companies we have taken less all companies. All companies are parent companies. Then under it we have a child company whose code is 1000, and it's, for example, BISP news. Okay, okay, BISP news. Then we have another company under parent, that is company 2000, code is 2000, and it is BISP ADS, ads and all. Okay, then we have to define, we have to give the legal entity name. So this is BISP USA legal entity. Okay, once again copy, and both are comes under BISP USA legal entity. Okay, give the identifier number. Okay, select country, countries, United States. Okay, give address line, any address line, like I can give any address line, it's not mandatory. So BISP legal address I'm giving. Okay, so I'm giving BISP legal address. City we have to search with the pin, but now I remember the city, so I'm taking city as Acworth. Okay, so city and state, county, one. Okay, postal code, let's say, and give the registration number. Okay, we have given the registration. Then it will report to reporting unit, register number you fill. Okay, this. So we have completed what our companies and legal entity we have made. Okay friends, so this is our company, okay, and our legal entity. So now the next task is cost center. So click on cost center. So this, now we have the sheet 2 will remove. Yeah, so now we have cost center. Okay, we have additional sheet. So now we'll fill the data in the cost center. Again the parent would be, the code would be 4 times 9s, and the parent company name will be all department. Cost center we make for the department, so we are making for all the departments, all department. Okay, so under it child will come, code 1000, child department would be finance, then code 2000 we can take HR, then code 3000 and department sales. Okay, so we have taken these 3 department. Now we'll go on future. So future again, parent number 1 we have 1 2 3 4 times 9, and the value, default value we are giving, and here we are giving nothing. Okay, so I'm giving none, and here also I'm giving none. Okay, so we have make the we have completed the future also. Okay, now we'll go financial sequence, and here we'll give, you see, payables, invoice payments, receivable invoice, credit memos, adjustment activities, sub-ledger journals, journal ledger we have already done by the manual process, but here we will give the value. Okay, so I'll select sequence never, so that we can have our implementation easier. Okay, so this we have to fill according to the client's needs. Okay, so here I am just not to have so complication, that is why I am just selecting never. Okay, now the most difficult part is to select the natural account, because we have to copy it from the Excel sheet. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to here, we'll go to instruction. Okay, and go to instruction. We have one sample data. Okay, so click on this sample data. We have this data already filled in it. Okay, this data is already filled. So what we do, this is the sample sheet. Okay, this is the sample sheet. So what we'll do, we'll select data of companies and legal entity, will copy and put into our sheet. Okay, so we'll copy from, see, if the cursor is on parent 4, we have to copy this from parent 4, otherwise there would be big mess up. Okay, so now I'm copying it from here. So till here I am copying. Okay, Control C. Once again we have to see where the cursor is. So our cursor is on parent 4. Our cursor is on parent 4. So we'll select parent 4. Okay, parent 4. So now we have pasted the data. Okay friends, now the next step, we have to check what we have completed. The cost center we have given, financial sequence we have given. Oh, initial value is not given, otherwise it will give error when we will validate. So initial value will be 1 1 1 I am giving. Okay, this is nothing, just value. Okay, then now I have to check the data. Natural account I have given, legal entities I have given, twice it has come. Okay, it's okay. Business unit, see, we have not given the name of the business unit, so now we have to give the name of the business unit. So business unit will give the name of our business unit is BISP US. Here I'll do 2 because we have already project BISP. So BISP 2 business unit, and that is BISP USA legal entity. Okay, so this we am given. Now let's check project also. Everything is, because otherwise it will throw an error. COA is completed, business unit we have made, and we have completed companies and legal entities. We have companies and legal entities. Okay, then natural accounts we have, financial sequence we have. What is left? Cost center we have. So now what we are going to do, we are going to validate it. So go on charts of account and let's see if any error comes. So we will validate. Step 1, we have to validate BISP2, BISP2, somewhere else we have to give BISP2 name, business unit, BISP2, companies, no need to give the name, natural account, no need to give the name, financial sequence, no need to give the name, cost center, no need to give the name. So now I'm going COA, and first step I'm going to validate it. Click on validation. See, this is the error. Okay, so go to natural account and find the error. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I will erase the data. I'll erase the data. Just a second, friends. A little mistake. Just a second. Okay. Some values have not been copied. That is why it is given the error. And this sheet will give problem. That is why we have to erase one by one. Okay. Okay. So these are the errors. Okay. So now it will take time. While selecting, it will not delete. Don't worry, friend, because this sheet is inbuilt. See the data we have copied, so we have to delete it one by one. Let me see. Okay, this data also. Once again I have to, that is why this is very dangerous. I got it, where the mistake has come. I got it, friend. Just a minute. All about to done. If any data is remaining, nothing. Okay, so now once again I'll go to my data, this. Okay, once again I'll copy from here, Control C, and parent 4, parent 4. Go on parent 4 and Control V. Now let's hope it should not give any error. Let's see. Otherwise, once again we have to implement. Okay, let's see. Okay, now again we'll go on COA and we will validate the report. COA, let me check one sec. No, this is not ours. This is ours. Okay, now value financial category. Let's see, friend. Hope so. Otherwise, we'll do something. Charts of account. Step 1, validation. We have the same data in natural accounts, account type, asset. we can't delete this data until and unless we'll delete it one by one. Just give me 2 more minutes, we'll fix this error. Value if this time it will show error, then I have to once again download these. Let me see. And the data should not left anywhere. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'll open the worksheet of rapid implementation. Okay, so I'll see the data from parent 6 the data we have to copy 438 430. Okay, look friends, let me try one more time. Parent 6, copy the value 438, Control plus C, open our rapid implementation. Natural account, this was on this time parent 8, parent 6. So put cursor on parent 6, Control V. Just wait. So now once again for the validation, and click on step 1 validation. Now project, okay, description is not given and child is not given. So now move to project, description. Okay, so project, I'll give the value, the and description, all department. department, and then child code I'll give 1000, 1000 for support, and 2000 for construction. Okay friends, then one more, what validation report says. Okay, so now let's see. Now it will validate. So validation is successful and no errors found. Do you want to preview the sample report? No, we don't want to preview the sample report. We only want to check our data. Now after project, we haven't finished the step. Okay, so we will go on the charts of account and generate charts of account file. Charts of account 1, it would be in documents. Okay, then we generate our ledger and give round 1, save. Okay friends, now we have to upload this data into the system. Now we have made the segment, we have made the segment label, we have done the companies and legal entities, natural account and financial sequence. Now what we will do, we'll load this data into system. So how to load this data into system? What we'll do, we'll upload charts of account. Okay, we upload this charts of account. So for that we have to minimize and we'll go on our application, and here we'll upload charts of account. What we made just now, we'll upload this charts of account. Okay, so we'll choose file, so documents, charts of account 1, open, and submit. $473. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll upload our ledger, legal entity and business unit. Now we'll upload this. We no need this. Okay, upload. We have to upload. We have already created. We will upload our ledger, legal entity, and business units. Okay, so we'll choose file. So we'll see our financial common entities. Click on open and submit. Click on OK. Okay, so now this we have uploaded. This our two files, 73 and 463. So we have to wait for the successful upload of this new process. You see, upload enterprise structure and hierarchies, upload enterprise. We have to refresh it. charts of hierarchy is succeeded. This upload enterprise structure and hierarchies we have to see, otherwise again we have to upload it. So now we'll see tree name BISP2. This is uploaded, but we have to wait for this. Now it is started running. Just wait, friends. Once it will run, I'll show you where the data has come. Just few more minutes. So now we'll scheduling process and we'll see our charts of account has uploaded or not. So the task to see, we'll search enterprise and click on tab. We'll see enterprise structure setup report. Charts of account BISP2 and submit. Okay. Now we'll see in the tool scheduling process. $527 $3527. You'll see 3527. This 3527. This is our report. Once it is run, okay, click on it. Okay. Click on republish, and we'll see the data. Okay, this is our account. You see what we earlier made in previous session. We have made in one by one charts of account structure, charts of account instances, manage structure. This once we have made in a one attempt we have made. So this is our company charts of account, segments, value set, company, cost center, account, project, ledger. Business unit has not come, friend. So once again we have to upload the business unit. Okay, so go to rapid implementation, our rapid implementation. Okay, this once again we have to upload. Go on the setup and maintenance. click on search, write rapid, define common financial, and we have to upload ledger, legal and business unit. Business unit has not come, so we have to upload once again. So we'll upload financial commodity and submit and click on OK. So our report is 532 532. So let our process be completed, then I'll show you where this data has come. So usually it doesn't take so long. Today because site is running very slow, that is why it is taking too long. Okay, otherwise we would have completed our today's task. So rapid implementation is done. No need of creating one again and again company primary segment label for company, primary balancing segment, okay, charts of account. No need of creating, just download the sheet. The client will provide the sheet, and from sheet we will upload it into the system. Okay, and then we'll check whether our data has come into the system or not. It is blocked. This is our process request. We can't do anything. We have to wait until and unless our enterprise structure and hierarchies upload. So just a second. Wait for a while, friends. Okay, okay. Let me show you till it is getting uploaded. What the things have already been uploaded, let me show you. Okay, so let's go to our project. Let's go to our project. Let it be run. So whatever data we have brought into the system, that we will see. Okay, so we'll go and set up and maintenance. We'll create BISP2, BISP implementation 2. Okay, save and open. See, this side is working very slow. So if we search task, manage chart of account value set, manage, no, first of all I have to add the offerings, that is financial. So let me start my task. First task, manage. Now what we are going to, we are seeing whether the value has come or not. This, you remember, this is our first task. Manage chart of account, accounts value set. Click on it. Manage chart of accounts, manage chart of accounts value set, and manage chart of account value set. Go to task. Today's site. So when I'll click on this manage charts of account value set, so the option will come value set code. So in value set code, we will put the name, just we make our charts of account, that is BISP2. So if I'll search BISP2, we will find there. Okay, this site is not working, otherwise I would have shown you from while doing the practical. So it's okay. Once again we will upload the rapid implementation, and then I'll show you how from Excel sheet we download the data and how we can put into the system. Today it is not working, so wait for the Monday, I'll show you once again. So for today, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Let's meet on Monday. Thank you friends, take care.